Hi guys, this is Rita. I'm back with yet another video. So today I was listening to Mnisi cross-examining a witness. I forgot her name, but I think this witness was it's a forensic witness. So what my problem today is that this witness is hostile, and I've been noticing that these witnesses who came after Zandi, they've been hostile towards these advocates, and the judge is saying nothing about it, so in as much as I'm happy that right now the advocates, they are able to stand their ground, and they don't just allow anything that the judge is saying should go. But now, why are they hostile towards the advocates, and why is the judge always not on the advocate's side? Like, I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. These witnesses are hostile so much. You will listen. I'm going to attach a video where she was refusing to give testimony. Imagine refusing. So what will happen to others who will be coming after her? What will happen to Kelly Kumalo? Kelly will be asked about what Zandi said, what Mtoko said, and she will be like, no, don't ask me about what those others were saying. Because now, if they allow this lady not to respond on something that she's an expert on, like the photos, she said she's a photographer, she's what, then she's an expert. She can answer the questions even if it's hypothetically speaking. But now the judge is agreeing with her that if she's refusing to comment, leave it like that. She has the right not to comment. So I feel like, no, the judge is biased. Is biased, and I'm not sure. Maybe he has more experience, but then it doesn't mean that since he has more experience, he should undermine others. He should undermine others to a point that we as viewers, even though we don't have a degree in law, but we can see that these advocates are being abused. Seriously, they are being made to fear to ask certain questions, especially if the judge doesn't know where the question is leading. But why can't the judge just trust that the question will lead to getting answers? Seriously, guys, I really don't understand this. Please listen to what the lady was saying. She was refusing, like she was saying it like it is. I'm not gonna comment on the photos that were not taken by me. So imagine, Kelly is gonna be worse. When it comes to Kelly, it's gonna be even worse, because now they're laying a foundation that anyone can come and disrespect the court, and the judge will just
but the door is damaged.
That one we've already got. I'm referring to the specific nature of the damage on the door.
The only thing I say, it's a damaged door. As well as the door splinters that are facing different directions.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's go to photo number 12.
Must you go to 12? Okay, the witness has closed to this album.
No, but this witness cannot be allowed to pick and choose on what is it that he wants to testify on. Let's go to photo number 12 on Mangena's album, ma'am.
Okay.
That is Mangena's album.
The album Mangena,
Not so? Yes, it is Mangena's album, I'm telling you. Now, you have said you won't say anything about Mangena's album. That's not your choice. You are here to assist the court as an expert, ma'am. A forensic expert. So you can't choose on what you want to say and what is it that you don't want to say on. Let's look at photo number 12.
Mchilo ukubanga bake akhonto uzayithetha ngefoto kaMangena kodwa ke ngelishwa ke awuzuzikhethela ba yiphi uzayithetha yiphi ongazihlomla kuyo. Okay.
this is within her rights to say she can't really comment on somebody else's photo album. We've said ad nauseum that Colonel Mangena will be called to testify, and such questions can be put to him.
Mr. Mnisi, where are we going to now?
No, my lord. A witness that has come here to assist this court
Yes.
cannot have a right to say, this I want to testify on, this I can't testify on, my lord. Because then her being here is just a futile
No,
exercise.
it's not futile. She's given evidence about what photos she took,
Yes, my lord.
gave an explanation, and the reason she says she can't comment on that work is because it is attributable to Colonel Mangena.
That is exactly what I'm saying, my lord. I am not saying, can you please explain to this
Mangena
court?
will come and explain that. And you have heard and led the evidence of this witness in regard to photo 19.
Yes.
You're going to lead Mangena on the exigency of photo 12.
Yes, my lord.
So you shall have two versions of the comparative value and evidential value of these two photos, which you can compare.
But that is the case, my lord. That is exactly where I'm getting to. Because Mr. Mangena, if this witness were to be allowed to say, I can't comment on what Mr. Mangena, or on Mr. Mangena's work, Mr.
Can this
Mangena
court-
will
can
come
this
here
court-
and say,
Can this court force this witness to comment on Mr. Mangena's photographs?
not really first, my lord. I think first is a bit
No, that's the right
of a hard way.
You say she has no choice.
Yes, my lord. I think it should be brought to the attention of this witness here that as she is there,
I think she
ultimately,
has a choice. If she wants to comment, she can comment. If she doesn't want to, she may not. Where she has no choice
yes, my lord.
is where her photographs are involved. And she says to me, "Angifuni ukuyeka ukuthetha ngalama photos."
Let me,
Because there, as an expert, that's her work.
yes, my lord.
Okay.
But again, my lord,
Yes.
this witness, I'm not asking her to comment about something that is not within her knowledge.
Go ahead.
On photos, my
Okay, go ahead.
Remember, my lord, that this witness said she's a draftsperson, she's
Okay.
a photographer, she's all those things that relating to the work of photos. I'm not requesting this witness to make a comment on something that she's got no knowledge on.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Let's hear you.
ngaphambi kokuthi umlilo naqhubekeke bafethu udaba-ke lumayelana ney'thombe ezathathwa uyena-ke umangena uma ziqhathaniswa nayo iy'thombe ezathathwa uyena ufakazi olana ngokuthi ufakazi ushilo ukuthi yena-ke akangeke asho lutho mayelana naloko okwenziwa umangena nenkantolo isosho ukuthi angeke aphoqweke uma ngabe esho kodwa angaphoqwa la athi khona angeke akhulume lutho ngey'thombe ezathathwa uyena kodwa-ke yasemdedela kumele ukuthi usengaqhubeka abuze.
Thank you, ma'am. When you look in photo number 19 and you also look at photo number 12, would you say the features that you identified in photo number 19 are they found in photo number 12 of Mr. Mangena's photos? Just at the at the glimpse.
Xa uqaphela nje okanye ucacula njena ngathi oku okanye ezimpawu uzibonayo kule yakho ifoto ingu-19 ziyabonakala kule ifoto ingu-12 kaMangena.
Ngokuzithoba okukhulu umhlekazi hayi bandidelela inkundla.
With the greatest of respect, my lord, not that I'm disrespecting the court.
Andizukwazi ukungqina ukunika ubungqina ngobungqina be-ballistic expert.
I won't be able to confirm or to testify on a ballistic expertise evidence.
So andizukwazi ukukhomenta ngefoto album kaKhini Mangena.
So I won't be able to comment about Colonel Mangena's photo album.
Thank you, ma'am. I am not saying, can you please comment on Mr. Mangena's photo album? Let us exclude Mr. Mangena's name, but you look at the two photos as a photographer. Assume this photo was taken by Mr. Mnisi or it was taken by Advocate Baloyi. And then you are confronted with that question. This photo, assume, is also not a photo that was taken by you, but as a photographer who has got a knowledge on photos, then you requested to have a comment on this. Forget about who took these photos.
Silibale ngokungomangena silibale ngomuntu owazithathayo kuba ngazafotwa ngibani na nanje ngomfoti nje kuthiwa okay jonga ke ezifoto zimbini uthelekise.
Andizukhomenta ngezithombe ezingathathwanga ndim. Izithombe okukhulu Nkosi yenkantolo.
With the greatest of respect to the court, I won't comment about photos that were not taken by myself.
Ngoba ndizabe ndimisleada le court.
Because I will
ngento eyenziwe ngomnye umuntu hayi eyenziwe ndim.
Because I will be misleading this court about something that was done by someone else and not myself.
Let me bring it to your attention, ma'am. Whatever that you say to this court, ultimately it will be the function of this honorable court to attach value to what you say. The court won't say, no, I was misled or I was not misled. You're just there to assist the court. If the court finds substance in what you're saying, it will consider that substance. If the court finds no substance in what you are saying, then the court will say, no, I'm happy with what the witness said, but I don't think I need to pursue it further. Do you understand? It's not like
inkundla lena ayizuthi ke ilahlekisiwe okanye ikhohlisiwe bangaba ifumana kunento ebambekayo okanye kunesihlahla kulonto ithethayo izawutsho uba ifumanisa kungenasihlahla kulonto izawutsho.
Do you understand me?
I understand, Mhlekazi.
I understand you, sir.
Can we then please proceed with the process and the business of the day?
Singaqhubeka ke?
Ndimile kule nto endiyithethayo Mhlekazi.
I stand by my word, sir.
Ndima kwinto ndibizwe yikhoti uba ndizochaza ngento endiyenzile kwisini.
I was called by the court to come and testify about that which I did on the scene, about the forensic work which I did. Hence I'm saying I stand by my word.
Yes, Mr. You can take it up in argument.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, you know the law. You can take it up in argument. Okay, let's proceed.
Thank you, madam. I think that's a ruling.
Hello?
I'm saying that's a ruling in respect of
yes,
this witness's refusal to answer my question.
Yes, he says she won't comment on Mangena's ballistic photography.
Thank you, madam.
Thanks.
Ma'am, in your photo album, you make it, you stating it as a point that there's a hole in this door, not so?
Uyayithetha ke into angaba ke kunomnqunya